Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are gonna draw and color Masha and the bear. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw Masha's beautiful eyes. Then her nose and her smiling mouth with her 2 teeth. I draw her face and her hair. She is wearing a scarf around her head. Now let's draw the bear. I start with his eyes. Then I draw his big nose. His face and his smiling mouth. Finally, the shape of his head with 2 big rounded ears. Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use 2 different shades of green for Masha's eyes. I use light red for her mouth. I color her skin with this cream marker. For her hair, I use yellow. Her scarf, I color with this mauve marker. Now, let's continue with the bear. I color his eyes brown. For his face, I use a light brown marker. For this part, I use a little darker brown. I color his eyebrows and ears with this really dark shade of brown. And finally, I add some middle brown here. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.